Welcome to a video from thedigital.com. In this video we've got a new build of Windows 11 to look at. This is 26100 for the Dev and Canary Channels, a nice round number on that build. Only a few things I wanted to show you in this video briefly. No watermark again. Microsoft say that's because it'll return in future builds and it's part of their normal process of preparing 24H2. It doesn't mean it's done. Kind of Windows is never done now, is it? There's always an update to it. But I think what this means is probably a candidate for one of the versions that goes to manufacturers to ship with PCs that are going to ship later in the year with 24H2, and then when you unbox them there'll be an initial day one update that will get all the features that are developed between now and when the hardware is released. So this is kind of a version that we will see. But in terms of this build, there's just a few changes, and they are fixes. So there's a fix for Hibernate and Shutdown not working, and there's a fix when you get a 08 error code when you're downloading apps from the store. And there's a fix for Copilot. There's a fix for Copilot where the refresh buttons wouldn't work, and there's a fix for DWM crashing some builds where you could see you get a black screen and it would sort of flash and everything. I haven't seen any of those. There is just a couple of known issues. There's still some reports that builds are stuck on 26040 or 23620, and they're still working on that. You can download the ISO and do a clean install and carry on anyway. I don't know whether you can do it, get the ISO and do it an in-place upgrade to get to the new version. Normally you can, so maybe that's worth a try. And there's a couple of issues with voice control and Copilot, and using ink to write Copilot, and docking and resizing of Copilot. But that's it really. So there's no new features or anything. Like I said, I think this is about making the build ready for OEMs, and then they can carry on developing the 24H2 update. Thanks for watching this video. You can find out a lot more on thedigital.com and our YouTube channel.